Hey Jeep lovers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, the channel where we bring you the best upgrades, mods, and gear to make your Wrangler adventures even more exciting. Today we're talking about the best speakers for Jeep Wrangler, because every adventure deserves an epic soundtrack. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising the highway, the right speakers can totally transform your ride. Number 5. Jeep Wrangler JK JKU and more. This 2-pack replacement speaker upgrade is an excellent option if you only need to replace front or rear speakers instead of a full set. Designed for Jeep Wrangler JK JKU 2007 to 2018, as well as Dodge Commander and Grand Cherokee, these speakers match the OEM 77 Kick 10 size and specifications, making installation simple and hassle-free. Performance-wise, the sound is clear and consistent. The mids and highs are well-balanced, providing sharp vocals and instrument clarity, while the bass is moderate, enough for casual listening but not overwhelming. Many Jeep owners appreciate how these speakers handle outdoor noise when driving with the top off, still delivering enjoyable audio without major distortion. One big advantage of this 2-pack set is affordability. Instead of replacing all 4 speakers at once, Jeep owners can upgrade specific areas while staying on budget. For anyone seeking a cost-effective, direct-fit upgrade that improves sound quality over stock speakers, this is a reliable choice. Number 4. Kicker 4x6-inch speakers. For Jeep Wrangler TJ 1997 to 2006 owners, the Kicker DS Series 4x6-inch speakers are a well-regarded upgrade option. This kit includes a pair of DSC 460, 43 DSC 4604 speakers with adapters and harnesses, making installation smooth and hassle-free. The plug-and-play compatibility ensures that even beginners can replace their factory speakers without much effort. These speakers are known for their crisp highs and clean mid-range, which significantly improve audio quality compared to OEM setups. While the smaller 4x6 size naturally limits the bass response, they still deliver enough punch for everyday use and casual off-road drives. Many Jeep enthusiasts point out that these speakers perform well even with the roof down, maintaining clarity at higher volumes. Durability is another highlight. Built with tough materials, they're designed to withstand trail vibrations and bumpy rides. If you want an affordable, straightforward speaker upgrade for an older Wrangler, these are a top pick. Number 3. Kicker 6.5-inch speakers. If you want a noticeable sound upgrade, the Kicker DS Series 6.5-inch speakers are a premium option for Jeep Wrangler JK 2007 to 2018. This 4-pack kit includes front dash and rear overhead speakers with harnesses, making installation straightforward. The inclusion of plug-and-play harnesses is a big plus, especially for Jeep owners who don't want to deal with rewiring. Performance-wise, these speakers deliver impressive clarity across all ranges. The highs are sharp without being harsh, mids are natural, and the bass is tight enough for most listeners. With their coaxial design, the 43 DSC 6504 model provides better sound dispersion, so you'll enjoy consistent audio whether the roof is on or off. Users frequently highlight how much louder and clearer these are compared to stock speakers. Even with road and wind noise, these speakers maintain their punch, which is perfect for long highway drives or outdoor adventures. The rugged design also ensures they handle Jeep vibrations in off-road conditions without rattling or distortion. Number 2. Fits 2007-2018 Jeep Wrangler JK JKU. This 4-pack replacement set is another reliable choice for Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU owners seeking to upgrade their factory speakers. Built as a direct replacement for the 77 Kick 10 OEM version, these speakers are engineered for quick installation, no cutting or drilling required. Many Jeep owners have praised how the installation process takes less than an hour, making it a great DIY upgrade. In terms of performance, the speakers provide a balanced sound profile with improved clarity over stock audio. The mids and highs shine, delivering clean vocals and instrumentals, while the bass, though not overwhelming, adds a fuller sound to your Jeep's cabin. They are especially useful for Jeep drivers who frequently go off-road, as the build quality holds up well against bumps and vibrations. Whether you're blasting music during a beach trip or cruising with the top off, these speakers maintain clarity without distortion at higher volumes, making them a dependable choice for Wrangler owners. Number 1. Jeep Wrangler JK, JKU, and more. This 4-pack speaker upgrade is a solid replacement option for Wrangler JK and JKU models 2007 to 2018. Designed as a direct OEM replacement for the 77 Kick 10, these 6.5-inch two-way speakers deliver a noticeable improvement in both clarity and bass compared to factory speakers. Jeep owners love how these fit perfectly into the front and rear slots without needing modifications. Performance-wise, the highs are crisp, mids are clear, and the bass is tighter, ideal for rock, hip-hop, or country playlists. Durability is another strong point. Users report that the speakers handle vibrations from rough trails without distortion. If you enjoy top-down drives, you'll appreciate the extra volume and depth these speakers provide, even with road noise. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an Adventure Jeep update. Drop a comment below and let us know which speaker upgrade you're running in your Wrangler. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, with the right gear, every Jeep ride becomes an adventure. See you in the next video on Adventure Jeep.